Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to online class of Dar Arqam. Dear students and respected parents, Assalamu alaikum. I hope so all of you will be fine. Students, stay home and stay safe. If you are going outside, then wear your mask. May Allah keep you and your family healthy in this pandemic condition. Ameen. Today we will start our lecture number 3. We had started chapter number 8, which name is transmission of heat. In this chapter we discuss about the transfer of heat, the ways of transfer of heat, which are conduction, convection and radiation, and we also discussed about the applications of these ways. Today we will solve and discuss the objective of this chapter. Okay, now who will tell me what is conduction? Yes, what is conduction? Think about it. The transfer of heat without the actual movement of molecule is called conduction. Very good. And what is radiation? The transfer of heat energy from a hot body to cold body without heating the space is called radiation. Very good. Okay students, now open your books, page number 89. Here you have first question of your objective, which is complete each of the following sentence by writing the correct term. Number 1. The transfer of heat by the movement of molecule from place to place is called convection. You will write convection in first blank. Number 2. It can maintain the temperature of drinks, which is vacuum flask. Spelling should be correct. The transfer of heat by direct contact of molecule is called conduction, and the surface which absorbs and radiates heat better is called black surface. Okay, in fourth blank you will write black surface. Now look at the question number 2. And circle the correct answer in the followings. When we sit in the sun, we are heated by convection, radiation, conduction, air and convection current. So its correct answer is radiation. You will circle the option C. Warm air rises because of light, convection, conduction and radiation. So its correct answer is convection, option B. A metal spoon is placed in a cup of hot water. The spoon gets warmed by conduction, convection current, radiation or convection. So its correct answer is conduction, because metal spoon is directly contact with hot water. In vacuum flask, the vacuum prevents the transfer of heat by conduction and convection, convection, radiation and air. So its answer is conduction and convection. In vacuum flask, both way of transfer of heat takes place, which reduce the transfer of heat. Now turn out the page number 90. Here we have MCQs number 5. What is happening when warm water rises in a lake and cold water sinks? Conduction, convection, radiation, mixing. So its correct answer is convection. Next one is heat energy can be transferred well by the conduction from one material to another only if both are solid, liquid, gases, all of three. So its correct answer is solids, because we know that in conduction in solid takes place better than the liquid and gases. Wind blows due to conduction of heat, convection of heat, radiation of heat, emission of heat. तो its answer is convection of heat. Wind और water जो both हैं, जो rise up होंगे, वो convection की वजह से होते हैं. Which color is a good reflector of heat? Red, black, blue or white? So its answer is white. जो जितना पूरा absorber होगा उतना अच्छा reflector होगा. What happens if two objects at different temperature are touching? Heat energy transfer from the warmer object, energy transfer from the cooler object, heat energy transfer to the warmer object. No heat energy transfer takes place. So its answer is heat energy transfers from the warmer object. जो warm object होगा वहाँ से heat energy cold की तरफ transfer होगी. So here we have our first practice sheet. Question number 1 is ways of transfer of heat are. Ways of transfer of heat. There are three ways of transfer of heat. Number 1, conduction, convection and radiation. So इन three boxes में आप ways के name लिखोगे. Question 2 is comparison between convection, conduction and radiation. So in conduction you will write it needs medium to transfer heat. In convection you will write it also needs medium to transfer heat, and in radiation you will write it does not need any medium to transfer heat. We know that conduction and convection needs solid, liquid or gas for transfer heat, but radiation can transfer heat without any medium. Radiation can transfer heat in vacuum where no air is present. So you will fill this practice sheet with lead pencil. In next lecture I will provide you solution of this practice sheet, then you will compare your answer with that filled practice sheet and then you will fill it again with pen or pointer. This is your today lecture. Now who will tell me the surface which absorb and radiate heat better is called dash? Yes, think about it. Black surface, very good. It can maintain the temperature of drinks. Vacuum flask, very good. How many ways of transfer of heat? There are 3 ways of transfer of heat, which are conduction, convection and radiation. Very good. Okay students, your today empty is do your homework honestly and you should do your work on daily basis. Now open your diary and note your diary. Your diary is learn question number 1 and 2, which are blanks and MCQs. You will learn it from your books and do and learn practice sheet also. Okay. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.